EasyFit presents the 10 best postpartum belly bands. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Go-Toli Waist Trainer has a silky smooth outer layer that won't show under your shirts, plus a push-up effect under your breasts. Its 4 rows of hook and eye closures allow for postpartum weight loss, but it takes some time to fasten them all. It's got a moisture-wicking inner layer and adjustable shoulder straps. However, it tends to roll up when you sit down. At number 9, the BelFit Postpartum Corset is helpful for post-C-section recovery with a reinforced abdominal panel that reduces pain near the incision area when coughing and moving around. It has an easy-access groin flap to save time in the bathroom. Measure your hips for the best sizing choice, but it does take a little work to get on, and it doesn't fit apple-shaped women well. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Belly Bandit Original features a simple style with a band that cinches securely using a single Velcro patch, offering a basic level of support and shaping. While it comes in 5 sizes, this design is not ideal for tall or long-waisted women. It's very easy to put on and the length adjusts up to 9 inches. However, it's a bit pricey for what you get. At number 7, Mama Strut Pelvice provides an additional element of healing for those first days home from the hospital. This binder has built-in shorts with a removable sleeve that holds a cold compress where you need it most. The 2 included packs can also be heated in the microwave. It's available in sizes up to 4XL and comes in a dark color to hide stains, but it's not very discreet under clothing. Moving up our list to number 6. The versatile NY Ortho binder gives you the choice of 2 to 4 panels in height, plus 6 lengths to accommodate the needs of both men and women after surgery. Because this model is unisex and kind of boxy, it's a good option for apple-shaped women. It's made with latex-free elastic and no stiff boning. However, it's not very flattering under clothing. Halfway up our list at number 5. The Leonice Women's High Waist Panty features built-in hook and loop sides that give you gentle shaping while not taking up too much space under your clothing. While it's a lot less bulky than other options, it's also significantly less supportive. It protects incisions well, and there are no zippers or hooks to deal with. It's a good choice for going out. At number 4, the budget-friendly Trendy Line Women Girdle offers a mesh back for airflow that's comfortable enough for all-day wear. There's reinforced boning in the rear and 2 sets of adjustable flaps up front so you can reshape it as your torso shrinks. It can be worn during light exercise and assuages the pain of C-section recovery. However, it tends to bunch when you're sitting. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Upspring Shrinks is made with bamboo charcoal fiber that wicks moisture and stays fresh. This option comes in 1 piece but adjusts in 2 places to compress both the abdomen and waist while comfortably matching the contours of your body. It features very durable Velcro and a breathable woven pattern, but there are only 2 size options. At number 2, the Gouge Waist Trimmer provides plenty of torso coverage thanks to its wide band. It has 4 flexible bones to help prevent it from rolling up or down and comes in 6 sizes, including 3XL to fit a wide range of body types. It's equipped with easy-to-adjust straps and comes in nude or black. It air dries quickly after washing. And coming in at number 1 on our list, this Chongafei 3-in-1 system is designed to be worn in different ways at each stage of a woman's post-birth recovery. First, it helps internal organs return to their normal placement, then it aids in waist and stomach reduction, and finally with restoring pelvis shape. It's breathable and stretchy, and you can use the belts separately or together. It can be put on without assistance.